Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the device and entering recovery mode. Make sure your battery is above 50% so the process won't abort. Power the phone off completely, then press the specific key combo for your model, often power plus volume up or down, and hold until recovery appears. Once the recovery menu shows, you'll use volume to navigate and power to select. This avoids accidental taps. Make sure to note any OEM peculiarities now, because incorrect combos waste time and can require repeated attempts. Now execute the factory reset from recovery. Use the volume buttons to highlight wipe data or factory reset and press power to select. This removes the pattern lock by erasing user data. Confirm when prompted. The system warns you because data will be lost. Let the phone perform the wipe fully. Do not remove the battery, disconnect power, or reboot mid-process, since interruptions can corrupt storage. Once you see a wipe complete message, you're ready to proceed to reboot and the next steps. After wiping, choose Reboot System now and let the device start. During initial setup, follow on-screen prompts to add Wi-Fi and sign into your Google account. If Factory Reset Protection asks, use the previously synced account. This secures the device and verifies ownership. Once set up, recreate a new lock. If the device won't boot, gets stuck, or FRP prevents access, make sure to try official OEM recovery tools or contact an authorized service center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.